Good morning, students. Welcome back to your computer class. So, as we have completed the chapter Services of Internet. So, today we are going to have exercise session, and I hope the things are clear to you. But then also, we will just have a quick revision of this chapter, and then we'll start with our exercise. So, let's see, students, that services of Internet. Okay, the chapter name and the topics which we have covered in the chapter are Internet, World Wide Web, protection, yourself on the web, okay, entertainment on the web. You have also seen what are the entertainment things, just like music, videos, players, these all things, how you can protect yourself from spyware, viruses, World Wide Web, sharing photos on Flickr and Picasa, social networking just like Facebook, blogging, blogger.com, WhatsApp Messenger, web app like Google Documents, video conferencing, FTP, file transfer protocol, and e-commerce. These topics we had covered. So let's begin a quick revision like internet. Okay, so what is internet? So internet is a vast worldwide network that enables you to read the latest news, conduct research, shop, communicate, listen to music, playing games, and access a wide variety of internet information. So we can also say that the internet consists of many local, regional, and international networks, although each of these networks on the internet is owned by public or private organization. No one knows exactly how many computers are connected. Okay. So it provides a good services, tremendous source of goods are there, services, information and communication. These all come from the internet. So things you can do on the internet. What are the things you can do on the internet? So the things which you can do on the internet are stay informed. Whatever information you want, you can get it from internet. You means you are updated, such as newspapers, magazines, having websites. Number of magazines exist online only. Now conduct researches for your project work, for your presentations, for your homeworks, whatever information on the topic which you want, you are not getting in the book also, you can get it from the internet. Electronic mail, all of you are aware of that. Electronic mail enables us to exchange messages with the people around the world, including friends, family members, colleagues, customers, okay, and the persons whom we don't know also, okay, or even meet people on the internet instant. It is an exciting feature. On the top of that, you can say it is quite fast, easy, and very economical. Next one is your entertainment. Entertainment, if you talk about the entertainment, it provides you to download music, video, broadcast, radio, television, films, live interviews of your favorite celebrities, these all things. Programs, you can find 1,000 programs to be used on computers such as word processor, drawing program, games, accounting program. These all things we had already discussed in the chapter. Okay, buy and selling of books, CDs, flowers, DVDs, used cars. These all also included in internet. Chat, again, this feature allows you to exchange the type message with another person on the internet. Socialize with others, you can join discussion groups, forums, different forums, and have a topic on food, humor, music, photography, politics, religion, sports, movies, and many others. Share information, you can use the web to create and share information. For example, you can create your own website and share detailed and shit. You can play online games. Okay, many games are there, like soccer is there, football, baseball, battle with aliens, play backbone, and checkers. These all things you are getting on internet. Okay. Now next, what is World Wide Web? Okay, so World Wide Web, or simply the web, you can say, massive storehouse of information that resides in computers called web service or web servers. Okay, so all the informations are stored in it. It is a storehouse. Server has all the information collection all over the world. So each web server has one or more websites, and each of these sites contain million documents that called web pages. So the method of navigating through pages of information is called browsing and surfing. And the words or phrases which you click in this or write it images called links or entering the address of the site page you want to view. Now in this you have seen some subtopics. Web page. Web page is a document on the web. Web pages can include a collection of text, image, sound and video. Now website, it is a collection of related pages maintained by college, universities, government agencies, company, organization or an individual. Web server. Again, server is a computer that stores web pages and makes the pages available for the people who refer to it. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, has a unique address which always you want. If you directly go to the site, you must have a URL. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. This is a computer language which is used to create web pages. Now talk about links. So contain links which highlighted the text, images or web page that are connected to the other pages. You can select to display a web page located on the same computer. So for this you create a link. Link is also known as hyperlink. Web browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Okay, these are the popular web browsers. It allows you to view and explore information on the web. These are there. Okay. Home page. Okay. The starting page of a website is called home page. It is similar to a book cover or a table contents for a website. So this also I had explained you in brief also. Many sites allow us to personalize the home page so that it protect the areas of interest. Now protecting yourself on the web. Okay. So spyware, viruses, these two. So remember this two always. Spyware, software program that gets installed on your computer without your knowledge or consent. Okay, so remember this, you even don't know. Okay, so this program secretly gather data from your computer, steals your password, displays advertisements and takes control of your browser. So you need a spyware program. Okay, anti-spyware program you must install in your computer. Viruses, vital information, resource under siege, deliberately to damage data, can badly affect your computer without your knowledge, alter the working of the computer. Once a virus in your computer, your files and operating system may be damaged. Okay, so hard disk crashing of your computer, hijacking your computer, attack other computers, these are done by the viruses, and viruses attach themselves to a program file and move them from one disk to another. So if you want to block these viruses, again you have to need an antivirus program. Okay. So pop-up ads, safe passwords, cookies and secure site indicators. Okay. So pop-up ads, you know, I have told you it is sort of information advertisement which disturb you while browsing. Okay. So while browsing appear in a separate browser window on the top of your current window. So you can just use a pop-up blocker in the browser. Safe password, never save passwords on the sites you are visiting. Okay. Because it can be executed by someone else. Okay, by a third party who can just hack your passwords from your websites. Okay, your computer access site, you should click no whenever your browser asks to remember a password. Cookies are the small text messages which stores your computer to keep track of the websites which you are visiting. Cookies can also store username, passwords as well as your credit card details. If possible, tell the site not to save this data. Secure site indicators, you have a lock key as you can see. Okay, before HTTP, a lock sign which shows that it is secure. If the lock is open, that the site is not secure. So please alert while searching on the web. So these things are mentioned over here. Now entertainment on the web, very simple. Digital music file, MP3, online music store, listening to music, streaming media, internet radio and YouTube. These I have told you in the previous videos. Now sharing photo on the web. You can share your digital photograph with friends, family, even strangers after signing up. Again, we are getting many apps today for editing and formatting the pictures. But for saving the picture, you are having two popular, Flickr and Picasa web albums. Picasa provide you 1 GB storage. After that, you have to upgrade yourself. And Flickr allow you 1000 GB photos. After that, you have to upgrade to a pro account for getting more unlimited storage on Flickr. So here you can store your photo and create albums also. Now web app. Web app, it provides the cloud storage like Google Document is there. Data on the server and it keeps whenever you require it, it shows you. Okay. After that, it includes advertisements in the free version and charge for an advertisement free version. Okay. Social networking, Facebook, just same. Social networking sites, the members are connected to each other as friends and friends of friends, so on. So the main purpose of using social networking site is to keep track of what is going on in the lives of our family, friends, colleagues, especially the people whom you don't meet regularly. It also helps us to expand the circle of friends. So Facebook and MySpace are boosting nowadays. Blogging. Okay. Whatever opinion, advice you are having about any topic, okay, stories, you can publish it on the page. And next, the subject is the person writing the blog, okay, and the entries that appear on the blog are called post, and the act of publishing, the way of publishing, is called posting, and the person who is maintaining many blogs are known as blogger. So different blogger sites are also given: blogger.com, typepad, twitter.com. WhatsApp Messenger, I don't have to tell you much. You know, it is a messaging app through which you can send the pictures, audios, videos, documents to your contacts. Okay, you can also do video conferencing. So these are there. Now video conferencing is a meeting between two or more geographically separated people who use a network or the internet to transmit audio video data. It is a live connection between people in multiple locations that provides full motion video, images, high quality audio. These also we have discussed in the online class also. FTP is a protocol, file transfer protocol, which helps in uploading and downloading of the files. And last, e-commerce, electronic commerce, which consists of three types: business to consumer, consumer to consumer, and business to business. It consists of retail trade, and all the things which are coming in this are in the e-commerce. You can say consumer inside shopping and auction, finance, travel, entertainment, and health, like medicines also are available on the net, entertainment also, traveling also, finance also, auction and shopping. These all things are also done in the e-commerce. Okay, so this is a smart quick revision about your chapter. And here we comes to the self-evaluation part. I know that a web browser is a computer that stores web pages, makes the pages available on the web for the people. Yes, I agree with this. Okay. I know that spyware is a software program that gets installed on your computer without our knowledge. Yes, that is okay. Just we have read the definition. Cookie is a small text message that a web browser stores on your computer to keep track of websites. Very true. I know that Flickr and Picasa are currently the most popular photo sites, sharing sites. True, means correct. I know the blog is a website that consists of frequently updated collection of entry. Yes, blog collects the updated entries, okay, which have come latest. Okay, if anyone gives advice, opinion, or writing stories, it updates daily. WhatsApp is a mobile messenger app available for smartphones, Android phones, and e-commerce, sometimes called e-business. Okay, this is self-evaluation part. So now finally we have came to the exercise, and our first question is take the correct answer. So a collection of web pages is called. Who collects the web pages? So a collection of web pages is called website. Okay, website is a collection of web pages. Okay, home page is the front page of the website, and web server collects one or more websites. Okay, it is a whole storehouse. Unique address of a web page is known as HTML. You can't say because it is a language which helps to make a web page. Website you can't say because the first one you have said, website is a collection of web pages. So simple uniform source locator, URL. A small text message that a web browser stores on a computer to keep track of websites. Okay, which one? So again, spyware cannot be there. It is a type of virus. Pop-up ad, it is also disturbs. Cookies, software that installs on your computer without your consent. Spyware install in your computer without your consent. Okay, and it steals your information and data. Fill in the blanks. The dash enables you to exchange messages with people around the world. So here the answer is email. Email enables us, okay, Second question is, dash are the programs which are created deliberately to damage your data. Very known to you all. To damage our data system's hard disk, we have viruses are the programs. Okay. YouTube is one of the most popular sites on the web for providing what? Video sharing service. Okay. Video sharing service. Dash or dash is a method of navigating through pages of information. How you can navigate through pages? Because of browsing. Okay, here, and surfing. A dash is a document of the web. So which is the document of the web? Web page. Web page is the document on the web. Single person who maintains many blogs is known as just. We have seen that a person who maintains many blogs are known as blogger. And the starting page of a browser is called, very simple, home page. Clear? So once again I am showing you, the first one is your email, second one is your viruses, third one is video, browsing, surfing, web page, blogger, home page. I hope clear to you all. Now we are coming to the third question. Define the following terms. Okay, so first one is blogger. So blogger, you can write it from here also. A single person who maintains many blogs is known as blogger. Okay. A. Virus. Okay, virus also you can write. Virus are the programs which are created deliberately to damage our data, to steal information, damage hard disk, okay, the files in our system. Third one is a web page. Web page is a document on the web. Okay, web page is the document on the web, and else you can write it from here also. Web page is a document on the web. Web pages can include a collection of text, image, sound and video. Still here. Okay, till here to here you can write. Coming to the next topic, social networking. Okay, now you have seen the web page. Now social networking, WhatsApp Messenger, YouTube. Okay, so let's see to it. You will get the answer. Okay, social networking on this page. Social networking. Okay, what is social networking? So you have to define. So it is a service on the internet that enables you to connect with people who share similar personal or professional interest. Okay, and the main purpose of using social networking sites is to keep track of what is going in the lives of friends, families and colleagues, especially the people whom you do not meet regularly. Only this much you have to write in defining that. Okay, simple. Now next one was your WhatsApp Messenger. So you will get here again WhatsApp Messenger. WhatsApp Messenger is a mobile messaging app available for smartphones. WhatsApp uses your phone's internet connection to message, call friends and family. Only this much is okay. Okay, or else if you want to write more, then you can just add one word for receive messages, call, photos and audio and voice messages. These you can write in this defining. Okay, and the last one was, I think what was that, let me see. Yeah, YouTube. So about YouTube also you can define. Here's it is given. It is a video sharing service that is one of the most popular sites on the web. YouTube offers 10 millions of videos as well as movie trailers, commercial clips from TV shows and much more. Okay, this you can write in that. And to upload videos, you need to create a YouTube account or sign in with your Google account if you have one. Okay, so it is a video developing site, and if you want to develop or share your videos on the YouTube, you have to upload it through your YouTube account or sign in with your Google account. I hope the answers are clear to you. Now next is your, after defining the term, true false. Okay, so let's see the true false. Internet is the smallest network used at home. Is it the correct one? No. So the answer is wrong. False. I am crossing and putting a tick mark, but you have to write false in place of X. Okay. The chat feature allows you to exchange the typed message with one another on the internet. Yes, it's true. Okay, the chat feature allows us to share the typed message. So it is true. Means tick. The electronic mail enables us to exchange messages with people around the world. True. A website is a document on the web. Yes, you have read that a website is a document on the web. It is about web. Sorry. A website is a document on the web. It's false. Web page is a document on the web. Okay, yeah. Web page, here it is written web page. Okay, web page is a document on the web, not website. Mozilla Firefox is a popular web browser. True. Mozilla Firefox is a popular web browser. And Facebook and MySpace are popular social networking sites. True. So first answer is your false, second is true, third one is true, fourth one is false, fifth one is true, and sixth one is true. Clear? Now coming to the question answers. What is internet? Why is it important? So let's see on the first page itself of the chapter. Internet is vast worldwide network that enables you to read latest news, conduct research, shops to communicate, listen music, playing games, access a wide variety of information. Okay. And next question is, why is it important? So in the importance you can write, the main advantage of the internet is that you can access it from a computer anywhere, at home, at work, at school, or at a restaurant. So that is why it is important. Okay, through which we can communicate through the world. Okay, so this is the answer number 1 of the question answers. Okay, till here information, and now from the importance you will write from here to here. Okay, second question is, what are the different uses of internet? Okay, so if you find what are the different uses of internet, so things to do on the internet are the uses. So here you can write from here, stay informed, conduct research, email, or you can simply write here. Okay, the different uses of internet are that reading news, searching information, chatting with other people, making friends, sharing data and information, shopping, banking, playing games, and listening to the music and watching movies. Okay, these are the uses of internet. This is answer number 2. Okay, you can see it. Okay, here also answer number 2. what are the different uses of internet. Okay, so chatting, shopping, finance, traveling, listening music, downloading, uploading videos, these all many uses are there on internet. Okay, now next one is what is blogging, and fourth one is what are cookies. Okay, so what is blogging and what are cookies? Let's see it. Blogging. Blogging is an exciting, or you can write, okay, from here only. First line will be blogs are also known as web blogs. This you will write first. Then blogging is an exciting and dynamic medium by which you can publish your ideas, opinions, and a story online. With millions of blogs available on the internet, you can read with what others have published. Okay, this also you include in this. So this is the blogging. Okay, so what is blogging? Then blogging is an exciting and dynamic medium by which you can publish your ideas, opinions, and stories online. And blogs are also known as web blogs. Now next one is cookies. What are cookies? This is your answer number 3. Okay, this is your answer number 3. Now answer number 4. What are cookies? So you will get in this cookies. Here's answer number 4. Cookies. It is a small text that a web browser stores on your computer to keep track of websites. Cookies can also store username, passwords, as well as your credit card data. Okay, so this is enough for what is cookies. So it is a small text that web browser stores on our computer to keep track of websites, and it also stores username, password, as well as credit card data. Clear? Now next question is what is a spyware? How can we protect our computer from a spyware? So just above this you can see the 5th answer. Okay, spyware is a software program that gets installed on your computer without your knowledge or consent. This program secretly gathers data from your computer and steals your password, displays advertisement, and takes control all your web browser. The second part says how can we protect our computer from a spyware? So we can protect our computer from a spyware by installing an anti-spyware program. Okay, the second part answer. Second part answer. Okay, until here the browser. Okay, this is your first part. Okay, and answer number 5, that means E, or you can say 5. This is answer number 5. Now 6, difference between downloading and uploading of data from internet. Downloading and uploading of data from internet. So this you can get it from here. I think it is given over here. Surfing. I think this question's answer is not given in your book, but I am telling you, you will write in your copy. Downloading means, okay, when a user downloads something from the server to his computer is known as downloading. Okay, when you download something from the server to your computer is known as downloading. And when you upload something, or you can get this answer, I think it is given in FTP. Okay, I have seen somewhere FTP. Yeah, here. Okay, uploading is the process of transferring files from your computer to a server on the internet, and downloading is the process of transferring file from a server on internet to your computer. That's what I am telling you. Transferring, downloading files from server to your computer and from your computer to the server. Okay, so that is downloading and uploading of things. Okay, okay, so this answer is also completed. Now next, what is e-commerce? Okay, so I think this question is your earlier was sixth, this is the answer number 6, and e-commerce is the seventh one. Electronic commerce, sometimes called e-business, it is a financial business transaction that occurs over electronic network. Okay, anyone with a computer connected with internet and means to pay credit card etc for purchasing goods and services participate in e-commerce. So it just asked about what is e-commerce, so till here you have to write. Okay, you can write one more line. Three types of e-commerce are here: B2C, C2C and B2B. Okay, and the last question is what is FTP? So question number A, file transfer protocol is an internet standard that permits file uploading and downloading to and from the other computers on the internet. This is the answer of FTP, the last question number end. Okay students, so here we have completed the question answers exercise session of the services of internet. Okay, so we'll meet with the next chapter. Till then, thank you.